Hello, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you the recipe of chicken drumsticks with potatoes in the oven. A very easy to make meal. It's a very nice main course with its wonderful look and delicious taste. I peeled 7-8 small potatoes, about 1 kilogram. As you can see in the video, I cut them into wedges. After chopping all the potatoes, I sprinkle enough salt on it. I add 1 teaspoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, and a very small amount of black pepper. I add a 1/4 teacup of oil. I mix my potatoes well. Then I put it in the oven heated to 200 degrees. I will bake it for just 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will sauce my chicken. I have 7-8 pieces of chicken drumsticks, about 1200 grams. I washed them well and drained. I add a dessert spoon of salt on it. Let's add 1 full teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of mint, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you want, you can increase the amount of paprika. I add a 1/4 teacup of oil and mix it well. I mix the spices. Then I cover it and put it in the fridge. It will be much more delicious if you keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Potatoes I had baked for 10 minutes came out of the oven. I'm laying the chicken drumsticks I have sauced on them. In a bowl, I add 1½ tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 cups of water for the sauce. I'm mixing it well. I pour the sauce I have prepared on the chickens. This is how I pour over the chickens on each of them. It looks much better when fried that way. Then I poured the remaining sauce on them. I decorate it with sliced tomatoes and green peppers. It's ready as easily as that. Then I bake it in the oven heated to 200 degrees until it's browned. I cooked it for about 45 minutes. Look, it came out of the oven. It is very beautiful visually and has a very great taste. I definitely recommend you to try it. You can serve it with rice. I hope you will try and like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.